Available now. Additional DAS 3000 and ADAS accessories for the proper calibration of all kinds of radar systems and surround view cameras. One of the main new features is the enhancement of the CTA 120 corner reflector for the calibration of rear radar sensors. The ADAS One solution with step-by-step instructions supports the workshop for the accurate positioning and calibration with a completely new approach. By utilizing the camera system of the DAS 3000, the targets can be accurately placed 360 degrees around the vehicle. Available as well, the CTA 110 Doppler Simulator. It was developed for rear and side radar calibration for the Volkswagen Group and Mazda. Guided as well by the ADAS One solution software, the CTA 110 ensures a proper function of the lane change assist and can easily be mounted to the DAS 3000 camera beam. In addition, brand-specific target mats are available for the proper calibration and adjustment of rear and surround view cameras according to the OEM specifications. Remain future-proof with Bosch ADAS tools and solutions.